Is it a crime that I'm good at my job?
Yeah, it is.
Is it a crime? So when other people sit with other celebrities and they ask questions, it's fine. But I can't. When I do, it's a problem. And the thing is, dude, we built this from scratch. Right? No funding, no help, no celebrities endorsements, nothing, zero. Celebrities haven't given me shit, nothing. Government hasn't given me anything. Nobody owns this shit except us.
No,
we are independent. No, it's not the day for that.
Okay, cool.
No, honestly, it's not the day, because then what I'm trying to say is going to get lost in the puns and stuff.
True.
Let's chill with that.
My bad.
We'll be back next week and we'll rock.
Okay.
But I just got to get a lot of shit off my chest. I've written it down here so I don't forget, because there's a lot of bullshit that is happening and we never say anything because we stick in our own lane. We do our own thing. We're not part of the industry. We were cussed out. Nobody wanted us. We didn't go on fucking Black Twitter and take people's bags and jobs. No, we create our own fucking lane without anybody's help. This is our style. That's what we do. And we have 300,000 fucking people who subscribe and say, we want this shit.
Yep.
True.
We subscribe to this. We like this. We want it. And those are the people that we talk to. And until those people, everybody in the comments right now, those are our CEOs, those are our fucking brands, those are the people we must only respond to. Everybody else can go fuck off.
Don't go.
Until the chillers say, yo, we want this podcast out, we will go. We will go. If the chillers don't want us anymore, we will go. Until then, we're going to fucking rock this thing until the wheels come off. We ain't going nowhere. And we're not going to change our style. We're not going to change anything.
Our wording.
No. All because
smash.
some people who don't even know what this platform is about have some bullshit to say. This cancel culture bullshit. Dude, let me tell you guys something. You've been trying to cancel us for years. We are uncancelable.
Period.
You cannot cancel us.
No one can fire us.
You cannot. You can try, but you won't succeed.